Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy New Week. Hope you enjoyed your weekend and you had a beautiful Valentine celebration. This is a video of my drive around Umuahia. I made this video last week, but I was too lazy to post it. But finally, it's here. This part of Umuahia is Umuahia North, and this is BCA Road. From here, we are going to drive to Ikot Ekpene Road. There, we are going to drive through Opet, Ohokobe Market, Ukokba. I think that part of Umuahia is Ndume, one of the clans that make up Ibeko. Please correct me if I am wrong. Umuahia is very big and it confuses me sometimes because I might be in the north thinking I am in the south, or I am in the south thinking I am in the north. In this video, we are going to see the newly repaired Ikot Ekpene Road just after Ice Grand Hotel, that Doziewe Junction, from Pastor Jerry's Streams of Joy Church down to Ahieke. And I think they patched up other parts after Ahieke because I didn't see new tar after Ahieke. It's a really good thing they repaired the road because plying that road to Akwa ibom na wahala. Your waist could tell you because of potholes. It's going to make traveling from Abia State to Akwa ibom or from Akwa ibom to Abia State easier and less stressful, and it's going to save time because driving through those potholes, it takes a lot of time. I love and appreciate the repair. So we are going to drive down so that you will see what I am talking about. This is my second video of this part of Umuahia. The first one was last year. It was during rainy season and it was about to rain and it affected the quality of the video. So this is a better video of this part of Umuahia. I made this video on a Saturday. You can see how busy everyone and everywhere is. We are hustlers here, no room for dulling. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Please make sure you join me to the end of this video because you are going to have a lot of fun. If you are watching and this is your first time of watching my video, thank you so much, welcome. But please don't just watch and go, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to activate your notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Please watch this video to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section, and remember to comment nicely. Thank you. And if you are from this part of Umuahia, please give me a heart in the comment section. Watch the video to the end, enjoy the rest of the video, and have an amazing week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Anticipate my next video because it's gonna be a banger. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.